This will be a quick instructional video covering the Model 1400 small wheel attachment for the Burr King 760 series grinder. Your box will come with a manual. Please review the manual, the warnings, and also there's some pretty good documentation on schematics on the assembly itself. Inside the package you will find the small wheel attachment, also a small 2-inch wheel that will be used. Included in the packet are Allens, nuts, and washers. Please review all safety instructions prior to disassembly of the 760. You will start by removing the belt. This is a 1.5 by 60-inch belt. When we add the arm, the belt will increase to a 72-inch belt. It will add 12 inches to the belt. Removal of the contact wheel is done with a 15/16 socket. Remove the nut. This will be used again. Gently squeeze it off. Place it to the side. Included in your package is a small contact wheel. That is what will go back on. First, we need to remove the contact wheel guard and backup patent assembly. These are done simply by loosening the Allens that attach. The work table will be next. Now you're ready to attach the Model 1400 small wheel attachment. It will go on with the Allens up. Place them over the bearing assembly, and a snug fit, possibly no more than a quarter turn, will give plenty of tension. In the kit that was included, you do have a small contact wheel. You can go ahead and place it on the shaft now. Also included in the kit is a washer. Place the washer on. Again, using a 15/16 socket. Tighten the nut on the shaft. Now you're ready for a belt. Close the door. Make sure to adjust tracking on the belt.